We've had some pesky rain across north central Florida over the last 24 hours, and temperatures have been a little on the cool side. We're going to see some improvement as we approach the weekend, but I've got a Huffman Heads Up for you. Some active weather on the way. Two significant weather events this weekend and during the holiday week next week. The showers have been continuing because of these upper-level disturbances noted by the dotted lines coming out of the Gulf of Mexico, interacting with a low-level onshore flow from the Atlantic. And the heaviest and steadiest of rains will continue to be near the Atlantic coast, and that'll continue overnight tonight. Spotty showers possible still here in Gainesville and Ocala. And really, I'm not going to take the chance for rain out of the forecast through Friday because of this similar setup, although higher pressure starts to build in some tomorrow, which will break apart our skies. And we are going to see a gradual warm-up as we approach the weekend. Warm is not what they're thinking, though, in the upper Midwest. There is an Arctic plunge heading south through the plains. Temperatures have dropped into the teens and single digits in parts of Montana and North Dakota. Let me set this in motion now into the future and track that front for you. It moves to the plains Thursday, through the Mid-South on Friday. It's still to our north and west on Saturday. Heads up, Gator fans, it will be warm in the swamp on Saturday. The front doesn't get here until Saturday night, but then we're in for a 24-hour blast of some bitter air, and I'm tracking a big storm around Thanksgiving. But first things first, Gator fans against Georgia Southern in the swamp kick off at around 2 o'clock. Temperature, look at that, 78 degrees. Break out the shorts, but put those away and find the winter coats, because look at this 5-day trend in temperature. We go from 79 Saturday to a high of 64 Sunday. Yes, there's a front there. Monday morning will be our coldest. We think we could dip into the upper 30s. The cold air, though, does not last long. It retreats quickly Monday into Tuesday, and as a warm front pushes in, we'll get periods of rain. Then a storm is likely to develop over the northern Gulf and move up the eastern seaboard. It's right overhead on Wednesday. We could have some strong thunderstorms here. It depends on the timing and the track of that low pressure center. And then it moves up the eastern seaboard. There could be travel implications here on Thanksgiving Day up the Appalachians into New England with lots of rain, wind, and inland snow. We should dry out, we think, on Thanksgiving Day, but it will be cold Thanksgiving Day and Black Friday as well. All right, if you couldn't catch all that, I wrote it down in a nice, easy-looking graph here. Your 10-day forecast. You can see the drop coming Saturday into Sunday, and then the increase in rain chances Tuesday and Wednesday. Thanksgiving should be drier but cooler with highs in the 60s.